how to display this YouTube video small thumbnail like a bigger thumbnail like this one. How can we do that without using any third-party website or anything? So first you need to go to this video. So this is my video. So first thing is you go on advanced setting, and then you disable allow embedding. Then you come to sharing debugger. It's called sharing debugger. uh, so this is a link I am gonna give you in the description as well. So you put the video here. See, if you see here, earlier I have the preview is small thumbnail. So now if I debug again, I mean it will be in small, but if I scrap again, then it's gonna change to bigger one. Yes, here we go. So now if you go and on Facebook, if you go and refresh, let's refresh. If you go and refresh, it's gonna be a bigger thumbnail. Yes. So if you see here, now I have the bigger thumbnail, and this has a potential of getting more viewers, so people can more click on this one. Thank you for watching.